This video shows you how to use SymDefib with real cardiac monitoring equipment for use on Aries. Here's what you'll need. A monitor defibrillator, or AED, not included in the inventory kit. The SymDefib box and power cord. Adult electro pads, included in the inventory kit. The bridge adapter, specific for your cardiac monitor. The cable from the SymDefib box connects to a Philips monitor. The adapters for Zoll or Physio control monitors are included in the kit. To run wirelessly, ensure the SymDefib box is fully charged prior to use. Otherwise, plug the SymDefib box into an AC power source. Ensure Aries is on before powering on the SymDefib box. Turn on the SymDefib box using the black rocker switch located on the box. A flashing green light indicates that the SymDefib is powered on. Connect the SymDefib cables to the cables of the defib monitor using the appropriate bridge adapter. Connect the electrode pads cables to the SymDefib box. Attach the electrode pads to the silver magnets located on the mannequin's chest. Once the connection is made to the mannequin, the flashing green light on the box will become solid. Now you are ready to administer electrical therapy to Aries using your system's standard operating procedure.